How's it going, everyone? Eddie Martinez here with the Recording Connection, and welcome to your additional supplemental video for lesson number 19, surround sound mixing. So we're going to go over some more techniques and things that you need to know, so go ahead and grab a pen and paper and we'll get started. Alright, so what we're going to do right now is we're going to go over 10 steps to surround sound mixing. So number one, what you're going to want to do is make sure that you have all the equipment you're going to need. And you're going to need the following: 5 speakers, a subwoofer, Pro Tools, and an 8x8 or at least a 6x6 audio interface. Now number two, make sure that your mixer has at least 6 discrete inputs and outputs. Number three, set up and separate areas for creation and playback. So in other words, don't record and mix in the same room. You're going to run into a lot of problems that way. Number four, set up a bus for each surround track in your software mixer. Now there should be at least 6 of them. A left one, a right one, a center, a subwoofer, a rear left, and a rear right. Now you might want to use a template in Pro Tools if you have that available. Number 5, connect your audio interface outputs through the hardware mixer, preferably using aux sends. You could also use sends, sub outs, and direct outs here as well. Number 6, route your audio interface inputs into the buses in your software mixer. And then of course, record in surround sound. Step 7, go ahead and create tracks as if you were recording in stereo. You can also monitor them via your software in order to play with the effects and plugins. Step number 8, use Pro Tools to create buses that give you the output that you're looking for. Recording in surround sound allows you to have fewer restrictions than recording in stereo, so you have way more freedom to play with these sounds, delays, and effects, as well to change the sounds as you pass it from speaker to speaker using panning. So step number 9, use a different surround panning for each track to optimize the position for each element. And then step number 10, bounce out your audio at the highest resolution possible. You never know if someone needs to downgrade the quality at a later point. I really hope this helped you guys out, and of course, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Alright guys, that's all the information that I have for you today, but of course it's up to you to put this knowledge to use. Now don't forget to jump back into your Recording Connection workbook and just double check to see if you have any mandatory supplemental reading assignments to turn in for this week. Now if you feel shaky on any of this material, what you need to do is go back into your provided textbook and reread that material. Just remember that these videos are only a supplement to your education. Okay? Now if you're watching this video online and you want to know more about the recording process, and you want to learn how to become a recording engineer in just 6 months, what you need to do is you need to check out therecordingconnection.com or call the provided number. Our staff is actually going to set you up with an engineer in your town or in a town near you. We have tons of locations all across the US and parts of Canada, and we're actually really proud to say that we have more than a 72% hiring success rate thanks to our student advisor that comes with your enrollment. So I hope you guys all enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys a little bit later.